All right, hey guys, I'm here at 5760 Kanady Road here in Murrayville, Georgia. Absolutely beautiful house, as you can see. It's 4 sides brick, 26 acres, absolutely beautiful acres. I mean, this is just the front yard over here, but lots of pasture. There's a shop on the property with a full concrete slab, water and electric ran to it. There's a saltwater pool, full finished terrace level, hot tub along with the pool. Let's go take a look. Instead of me just talking about it, let me actually show you guys around a little bit. So I love the design throughout this house. You got these nice wood columns really all throughout. The vaulted porches on both the front and back with the tongue and groove cedar planks up there. Very nice touch. I love the design on the front door with the diamonds going up. Really did the homeowners did a wonderful job with designing this entire property, and you'll see that as we go throughout. So I'm going to point out as many of the features that I can really notice. There's really a lot that come to mind as we walk through, but something that you'll notice going through this house is there's no carpet. You've got the LVP flooring throughout the entire home, bedrooms included, which I think is a really nice touch. It's super clean. And the home is practically brand new. It was just built a couple of years ago, and yeah, I mean, the homeowners have taken immaculate care of it. So it's practically, well, it is better than new construction. Any kinks are worked out. But the house is still in immaculate condition. So if you come over here into the family room, you've got vaulted ceilings here in the family room, wood columns going across, really cool fan. That's like a windmill fan. Large brick fireplace with custom built-in shelving on the side with nice, lights. It's lit up real nice. Love the mantle, adds to the rustic vibe of the house. You are here in Murrayville, Georgia, so definitely a nice touch there. Fireplace going all the way up to the ceiling. But one of my favorite parts is this view from the back porch overlooking the entirety of the property. Let's go take a look at this, and then we'll look at some of the other components of the house. Because you're buying this for the outdoor space. I mean, the house is beautiful, don't get me wrong, it's the full package. But look at this, 26 acres of just rolling pasture. And you come out here, you've got the beautiful tongue and groove vaulted ceilings in here, large windows that bring in tons of light to the house. But the pool, look at this, just take this in right here. Saltwater pool, got a little diving rock, hot tub, fire pit area. You've got your green egg set up here. So imagine just being out here and grilling and looking out over the beautiful pasture. One thing that I've been told here, and I've actually experienced myself, is the sunsets here. The sunsets from this pasture, from this back deck, are like no other, really. I mean, it's truly a beautiful sight. The sun sets right over the middle of the pasture. So I've seen there's some incredible sunsets out here where the sky is truly painted, which is awesome. So something that I've noticed that's really stunning about this property, we just walked in the front door. When you walk in the front door, you can see straight through the back of the property, all the way over the rolling pasture. Unbelievable views. You got the pool back there. The views just seem to go on forever. I mean, even on a gloomy day like today, the views are incredible. So let's go check out the kitchen area. So open concept kitchen, which is truly an entertainer's kitchen right here. Open concept to the family room. Nice, easy walk out to the back covered porch. We've got Miss Jane here. Shout out to Cornbread and Caviar. Always caters our open houses. But nice bright white kitchen, quartz countertops, the beautiful brick backsplash, super high-end appliances, commercial grade appliances here. Very nice oven, nice custom vent hood. And views off of the kitchen as well. So one thing that's really cool is there's practically views from every single room in this house. And there's tons of privacy. So one of the things that I really like about this location, so yes, it's a Murrayville address, but it's not like you're way far out in Murrayville. You're really like 15-ish minutes from the Dawsonville premium outlets, where you got dining, shopping, entertainment, pretty much anything that you need, but you still have full privacy out here. I mean, you're on 26 acres, so it's hard to find your neighbors out here. But let's go check out the master suite. So there's 3 bedrooms on the main level. Master suite in here. Again, I'll mention LVP throughout the entire house, including all bedrooms. Got custom plantation shutters on all the windows in here. Tray ceilings, super high ceilings. So the ceilings out here, even on the main part of the house, are 10 foot, and then here you've got 10 foot plus the tray ceilings as well. Very spacious master suite. Yeah, it has quite the scent. Hey, check out the size of this master bathroom. This will get the job done. You've got double vanity sinks, of course, little makeup station here in the middle. All the ladies gotta have that, right? Or at least that's a want. But with this house, it's a reality. Hey, shower over here. Get a look at that. Subway tile shower, ginormous. Master closet. They have a lot of clothes and they're still not even close to filling this bad boy up. There's a lot of space in here. Custom shelving. Got a lot of space in here. Nice light fixture. I got a little bench right back behind you. If you need to sit down, help putting your shoes on. It's got it all. What do you guys want to go check out next? There's a lot of different things that we can check out. Let's go check out the secondary bedrooms. There's 2 other secondary bedrooms on this main level. Half bathroom for the guests that you're entertaining over here, because again, this house is the entertainer's dream. Hey, what's awesome about the laundry room? Of course, it's a walk-in laundry room. You got cabinets up here, which is super nice. I love the tile floor in here. But not to mention, you've got this extra vanity over here. That's great for folding. If you want to fold anything on here, if you want to iron, great opportunity to do that. Great opportunity to iron. Great opportunity to iron. Cabinets, all the space you need here in a laundry room, which is great. You don't have to worry about the laundry piling it up. Just get it done. That's a laundry room that would be fun to do laundry in. What do you think? All right, secondary bedrooms over here. Currently used as a kid's playroom. Great playroom. Again, no carpet in here. LVP throughout the entire house. Got its own ensuite bathroom. Full shower, full bathroom. But again, I talk about the views pretty much from every single room in this house. I want you to take a look out this window over here. I mean, absolutely incredible views. I can only imagine the wildlife that they have out there. I see that the homeowner here has their deer feeders scattered kind of throughout the property. Yeah, that's definitely something that's cool, sitting out here out the windows and seeing all the wildlife out there. We have got 3rd bedroom right here, currently used as a nursery. Again, great space and an ensuite bathroom in here. No carpet, LVP throughout the entire house. This is the garage. So we've got a side entry 2-car garage, not to mention there's the other detached garage shop area that's fully ready, for a lift. If you've got any vehicles, if you like to work on vehicles, it's ready for a lift over there. But we've got a 2-car side entry garage here. I mean, this is a big truck here in the garage, and it fits in with ease. You even have room to not only still walk around the truck, but you've got a deep freezer here as well. So that just kind of shows you the space, not only from a height perspective. I mean, this lifted truck is sitting in the garage and still has more clearance space from a height, but also length perspective. So big garage. Let's go down to the basement. So fully finished basement down here. This is unbelievable space. I mean, I know if you're entertaining people and maybe poolside, this is a great area to just be able to hang out by the pool, walk in, get the little kitchen area down here, which is great. Hanging out by the pool, you don't have to worry about going all the way upstairs. You've got your refrigerator and little kitchenette down here. Bathroom, it makes it easy. I mean, literally you can walk out to the pool right over here. And again, the flooring that they have down here, this LVP flooring, you know, makes it easy to where, you know, you don't have to worry about people getting your floors all wet or anything like that. You just come out from the pool, walk right in there, get your little drinky drink, get your little snacky snack, go to use the restroom, get the underdecking down here. So it stays dry all throughout here, even under this, this screen deck portion as well. So this is fully screened in down here. You got the dry below decking with the lighting down here. So this is a great hangout spot by the pool. Stay mosquito free here during the summers and hang out poolside. Can you hear that waterfall over here? I mean, this just sounds so peaceful, so peaceful. I could take a nap on that couch right there. Actually, I couldn't because I don't nap. Can't remember the last time I took a nap, but I could sleep out there by the couch. It might just be not a nap. It would just be sleeping at night. That's okay. You guys will have to trust me on this, that the waterfall coming from the hot tub flowing over into the pool sounds so nice. But look at this view out here from the pool. I've honestly never seen a pool setup like this, where you just have the pool off the back of the house and you're just overlooking acres and acres of pasture, totally unobstructed. Super nice touch. Yeah, let's go finish the rest of the downstairs. I just wanted to show how easy and convenient it was to walk off of the terrace level right out to the pool. You know, walking through this house, it just makes me realize like how easy it is to entertain here. I mean, you walk right in and out, because I know at my house, when we have our pool set up, and we have people that utilize our basement a lot, but it's not nearly as convenient as this, how they have the, you know, full fridge and freezer down here with the kitchenette. Makes things so much more convenient than having to go up and downstairs for that kind of stuff. Yep, and full bathroom right there. Got me. Mirror selfie. Full bedroom down here. So this is a full bedroom on the back of the house. And then closet over here. So it can be used as a guest suite if you've got, you know, extended family that are staying with you, or even if you've got, you know, if you're doing multi-generational living and you've got extended or family that lives with you, this would be a great space down here because you've got the living room space, full bedroom, full bathroom. It's really got it all. You've even got another laundry room set up down here. So down here, not set up for it right now. Well, it's all set up for it. It just doesn't have the washer and dryer. But truly, if you've got in-laws that live with you or parents that live with you, this is a great setup right here. Or, you know, a teen suite or something like that, adult kids living with you. There's practically another apartment down here because you've got your full bedroom, full bathroom, kitchen area, laundry room. It's got everything covered. Out here, this is pretty cool. This is currently used as an office, really can be used as a living space or a billiards room, man cave, however you want to do it. But this homeowner uses it where the magic happens. This is home office currently, but again, can really be used as a flex room of any type. Got a cool tongue and groove wall with all of his trophies over here. And yeah, man, he's got some good stuff. Homeowner here is a avid outdoorsman, really does some cool stuff with you know, his YouTube channel on the outdoors, the Georgia Public Project, which is pretty cool. Great size room, and what I like about here is these these French doors that open up, so it keeps the entry nice and wide. But again, for me personally, I could see myself either using this as an office space like the homeowner here has it set up, or I could see this being used as a billiards room and have a, you know, a pool table in there. What do you think? But what's also great about this property is, you know, it's, in my opinion, it's great to have a finished basement, but still keeping a section of it unfinished is fantastic because, you know, it keeps everything, you know, it allows you to still have that storage space in here, which is great. And yeah, great unfinished space in here that could be used for a workshop, storage, gym equipment, as you see here. So a lot of opportunity, and yeah, this is great space. Hopefully you found some value from this video by watching this home tour of 5760 Kanady Road here in Murrayville, Georgia. Our goals of this video is to help you buy smarter, sell faster for more money. So if you found value from this video, click the subscribe button below And reach out to us if you are looking to buy or sell real estate in the North Georgia area. Reach out to us anytime. LFG